rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies. For that you need to take a bowl and sift 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, sift it really well so that there are no lumps present in our cookies. Sift 2 teaspoons of baking soda, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these 3 ingredients very well and keep it aside. If you want, you can also add cocoa powder to that mixture. Now in a separate large bowl, take 2 sticks of salted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, and again 3/4 cup of granulated white sugar. Now you have to beat these 3 ingredients very well so that it is combined together using an electric hand beater or a stand mixer. Please don't forget to scrape down the sides every now and then. Now after beating for near to 10 to 15 minutes, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. If vanilla essence is not available at your home, you can skip it. Now after the vanilla essence is nicely combined with the mixture, add 1 egg at a time. In total you have to add 2 eggs. So add 1 egg and then beat it well, and after beating it, then add the second egg. So now you can see my mixture has become very thin in consistency. So now you need to add the dry ingredients. I had also added 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's optional to add. If your mixture is very thick, then you can add few tablespoons of milk, but do not add more. Now bake it on 108 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Sometimes it can also be baked within 15 minutes or within 20 minutes, so keep an eye on it. After your cookies are half baked, then you can use a fork and make cracks on the cookies. It's a good technique to bring those cracks on your cookies. And then keep it back in the oven for 5 minutes. So here are my delicious chocolate chip cookies. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.